Begin with boxing, where the Boxing Association of Kenya said the national team for both men and women start their residential camp today in readiness for the India Boxing Championship set for January 28th to February 1st in preparation for the Commonwealth Games. The association says there will be no discrimination to winners and all boxers will have equal opportunities.
To be a build-up match for the boxers who won first lot in our national selection, unless maybe there's an injury or something very special happens. And I'm going to talk about specifically about, I've heard of late a lot of talk, including the media, about the capability of some young boxers like Ali who made it to the team. I'm going to say this on behalf of my executive committee and the technical bench. We are not going to rob any winner any opportunity. All the winners, including the young boxers, if they have emerged number one in the national selection, it's only fair to give them that opportunity, because killing his dream will have killed the dream of so many other boxers down there who will stop believing in winning. We must make the boxers to believe in winning. When they win, they are going to represent this country. When we deny them in the name of experience, when are they going to get this experience? If a young boxer of 18, 19 years of age has beaten everyone in his weight category, then tomorrow we tell him you're not experienced enough. What kind of other battle is he going to fight? It's the same battle. We want to encourage the youngsters to believe in BAK, that whoever wins will represent Kenya. Another very interesting element of this championship, the gold winner in this championship in India will get $2,500. I'm saying this so that the boxers down there can start now working hard if they have not. Silver will go with $1,500, and the two bronze winners will take home $1,000. That's good money for boxers to kick off the year with. So nature adjusts itself, and I'm sure the boys and girls are going to do very well.